को किभली भाव हत्या करुचंती लोक भी करुचंती आ जो माने लोकन को मतई कि गणतंत्र रो गला चिपी दउचंती सेमान को पई अंतत वार्ता तो जाऊ एरी जरिया रे स्पष्ट भाव रे कलम रे लिखिबा स्पष्ट भाव रे मीटिंग मान करे सभा मान करे स्पष्ट रखिबा एवं जने दिग्दर्शक हिसाब रे ओडिसा माटी अंतत एबे बुझी जाऊ डॉक्टर भगवान प्रकाश को धन्यवाद देवी संजय सर को यही बेले जानी व्यक्तित्व को आज सामिल करैचंती एही बोली व्यक्तित्व संस्पर्श आम यूनिवर्सिटी जरिया आज जेते जन श्रोता अछंती निश्चित भाव रे तांकू सुनिबे तांकू हमु लंबा करू करी कहूनी एथि पे कोई समस्त को धन्यवाद जणाउची समस्त को स्वागत जणाउची आज रे कार्यक्रम रे कैप्टन जयदेव सर को निश्चित जणे पीताम्बर सर को बहुत धन्यवाद जणाउची से आज शामिल अछंती एवं सरिता बैक अछंती जे कि से आज मॉडरेट करछंती सेशन को ता छडा सर्वश्रेष्ठ जो श्रोता मान आज अछंती आपण वक्ता श्रोतार गोटे सम्मिलन मिलन अलग अलग हो पारे दुईटी गछ भितर मिलन हुए दुईटी काठ भितर मिलन हुए दुईटी तार भितर मिलन हुए किंतु दुईटी तार संयोग होगी जिते लगी जाए से पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव बेले से बॉल जलिबा आरंभ हुए तो श्रोता आउ वक्ता भितर संपर्क होची से हाई प्रकृत संपर्क आसंतु आज समस्ते आमे सुनिबा एबेली जने व्यक्तित्व हुए तो आज चर्चा आगामी दिन कलाहांडी को जो नुआ करी तैयारी करिवार स्वप्न संजय कुमार शतपथी मान्यवर भिसी देखुचंती आज चर्चा किछि बाट आगु जिबारे सहाय्य करिवो एवं आगामी दिन मानकरे डॉक्टर भगवान प्रकाश को चर्चा गोटे दिगबारिणी ही हम समस्त पय रहिबो आसंतु आउ डेरी करिबानी आमे तांकटु सुनिबा आगामी कार्यक्रम को देबा पय मु मैडम को अनुरोध करिबी सरिता मैडम को बहुत धन्यवाद।
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Das sir, for such wonderful guest introduction and sharing your valuable insights and motivational thoughts with us today. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Really, we are honored, and it's our great privilege to have such eminent personality, Dr. Bhagwan Prakash sir, with us today. For this, again, I want to thank our Honorable Vice Chancellor, sir. Thank you, sir. Because of you, today we are going to listen such great personality. So now I would like to invite Dr. Bhagwan Prakash sir for his deliberation. Sir, now the floor is over to you. It's over to you, sir. Thank you. Sir. Sir, now I would like to request, sir, the speaker is unmute, I think, sir.
सर टिके अनम्यूट कर दियंतु सर टिके अनम्यूट कर दियंतु डॉक्टर भगवान प्रकाश सर टिके अनम्यूट करंतु आज्ञा तिलोचन साहू आज्ञा टिके आपण म्यूट करंतु तिलोचन साहू आज्ञा कर टिके माइक ऑन हे जाई छी आपण म्यूट करंतु
Sir Prakash sir, your mic is on mute, sir.
भगवान सर माइक टा अनम्यूट करिवे सर।
हां तमे ताकु टच कर तमे पुओ
Sir,
am I audible now?
हां
Yes, sir,
सर
yes,
सर
sir.
सर
Should I start?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Esteemed Vice Chancellor of Kalahandi University, Professor Sanjay Satpathy, Deputy Registrar Joydev Sahu, my motivator Madhu bhai, distinguished participants, resource persons, जहाँ कोई भी मिक्स्ड कोई भी उड़िया इंग्लिश मिसई कहले चलिबो ना खाली ओइरा कोई भी
सर मिसेज
Sir,
को
चलिबो sir.
बोल हबो प्रथमे तो मु भाइस चांसलर को बधाई देबी जे ये उत्तिष्ठत प्रोग्राम आरंभ करछंती दिस इज अ वेरी motivational talks. So motivation, there are different types of motivation. We say achievement motivation, we say success motivation, we say financial motivation, we say incentive motivation, we say recognition motivation, we say sacrifice motivation, helping motivation. There are different types of motivation different types of things by which young people are motivated. Young people by nature are very open-minded. Young people by nature are very energetic, very powerful, open to new ideas, and open to change. सोसाइटी रे जेते चेंज हुए ताकू आग ग्रहण करती यंगर जनरेशन, because younger people are always open to change. Change also, there are different type of changes. Knowledge change, it begins with knowledge change. We cannot change society without changing our own knowledge. One is knowledge change. Knowledge change leading to attitude change. Everybody knows smoking is injurious to health. So we have the knowledge. You have that knowledge. But that knowledge doesn't change our attitude. So attitude change is also very important. So knowledge change followed by attitude change. Attitude change followed by behavior change. Behavior change followed by practice change. Practice change followed by value change. So it's a 6-way process change that takes place. Takes longer time. अनेक समय में जानू एटा ठीक है, एटा उचित कथा किंतु ताका में करो नहीं. हमर संस्कृत कुआ जाए जानामि धर्मं न च मे प्रवृत्ति, जानामि अधर्मो न च मे निवृत्ति. एटा ठीक मु जानि छी किंतु मु से कामटा मु करे नहीं. एटा भूल मु जानि छी किंतु से कामटा मु करे. So change is a very intensive process. एवं सेथरे motivation plays a very important role. So your motivational talk for the young students is a brilliant idea. I think it's very innovative in the university system. कलाहांडी मु एई टॉक रे जोग दबार 2-3टा कारण संजय बाबूंकर संजय शतपथींकर insistence that I should attend this program, Madhu bhaiଙ୍କର motivation, and Joydev continuous follow. But the most important motivation for me was to talk to the young people, because almost my entire life and career I have spent for the youth development programs, youth policy, youth motivation, youth worker development programs, and constructing the youth development index. So there is a global youth development index. There is a Commonwealth Youth Development Index which I had designed. Whenever you have free time, I would request that you access that document and go through the document. Young people are in develop. Recently, about 10 years ago, 2011, there is a World Development Report. World Youth Development Report. जे यूथ डेवलपमेंट केमती हबो, आमे की भली भाबरे एवं कोठे आमे इन्वेस्ट करिबा ऑन यूथ डेवलपमेंट से संपर्क रे उटा विस्तारित रिपोर्ट स्पॉन्सर्ड बाय यूनाइटेड नेशंस वर्ल्ड यूथ डेवलपमेंट रिपोर्ट सेटा आपण माने पढिबे. सेथरे विभिन्न एरिया रे लिखा जाई छी जे कोन कोन आमे करि परिबा. यदि 5-6 एरिया को आइडेंटिफाई करा छी. गोटा होची लर्निंग, गोटे हूँ वर्किंग, गोटे हूँ स्टेइंग हेल्दी, गोटे हूँ फॉर्मिंग फैमिलीज, आ गोटे लास्ट वन इज एक्सरसाइजिंग सिटीजनशिप. So these 5-6 areas are the major areas where youth development can take place. कारण आमे जेतेले कहूचे देश निर्माण रे युव वर्गर भूमिका, देशर युवक मानकर देश पई भूमिका अछि सेमती देशर मध्य युवक मानक पई भूमिका अछि country also has a role to develop towards youth development so our country can also take inspiration from this world youth development report तार फर्स्ट होची आमे लर्निंग आम देश रे केते लोक लर्नर लोक अछंती केते लिटरेट लोक अछंती लेटेस्ट हिसाब अनुसार बोथ इट इज नॉट मोर देन 75% literate which means about another 25% 24-25% are still illiterate in our country ame kemti how can we make our country fully 100% literate in the 21st century large number of people remaining illiterate is a matter of shame for us so learning is very important learning there are different types of learning ame say learning taku kemti kariba united nations also another team they have suggested learning ta kemti habo what is the goal of learning you most of you are academicians and students you would understand it the learning begins with learning to know ame kono padiba kono janiba ame janine because we are living in a world with forest jungle of knowledge and information so from the jungle of knowledge and information ame kouta ko bachiba kouta ko padiba so kohauchi learning should begin with learning to know I must know every student प्रत्येक लोग को जानिबा दरकार मु कोन जानिबी learning is everywhere but out of that I have to choose which learning is important for me that learning to so it is said learning to know the second part is learning to do learning is useless without learning to do learning by doing काम करिया पई मु सिखुची सिखुने घरे बसिया पई बा फॉर ओनली फॉर माय ओन सेल्फ डेवलपमेंट so learning to know learning to do third very important learning to live together how we can if we cannot live together if you always fight with each other then we are not learned we can't claim to be learned people so learning to live together India is a very diverse country with so many languages more than 2000 dialects so many religions various religious communities belief systems people living together people with different attitudes so we have to all live together as brothers and sisters so learning to live together is also very important if my learning has not given me that skill how to live together then that learning is useless learning then finally learning to be I want to be I have my own ambition mu kon heba ko chahunchi mu bhavishyat re kon heba ko chahunchi that will also I have to decide myself in kon hebi what is my ambition what is my goal in life what is the ultimate goal of life who am I mu kiye se mu kahin ke thik aschi mu kon karbi ishwar mate kahin pathai chindi puthiki pathai chindi what is my role in this world and how do I help others so these are various aspects of learning to be how I develop myself how I reach my goal so that is very important my dear friends आपण माने गोट रखिछंती ए कैंपेन रो ना रखिछंती मोटिवेशनल टॉक्स रो ना रखिछंती उत्तिष्ठत Uttishtata is a very popular name and very interesting name and there is a story behind this also. Ame kahuchu Uttishtata. Uttishtata is the first word of a very significant sentence. Uttishtata jagrata prapya varan nibodhata. क्षीरस्य धारा निशिता दुर्गोत्तया दुर्गं पथस्तत् कवयोर वदन्ति एटा होची हमर उपनिषद कठोपनिषद 16 नंबर श्लोक रे कुआ जाउची एई सेंटेंस ची उत्तिष्ठत जाग्रत प्राप्य परा निबोधत क्यूरस धारा चिता दुसत्या दुर्गं पथस्तत् कवयोर वदन्ति सेकंड लाइन ए लाइन टा आपण समते जानि छिंदी म भाबुची जानि थिबे दिस वाज अ वेरी पॉपुलर लाइन and it was liked very much by one great youth inspirer personality Swami Vivekananda. Swami Vivekananda यही सेंटेंस टी नहीं थिले देकी ताकू इंग्रजी रे ट्रांसलेट करके कहथिले arise awake and stop not till the goal is achieved. उत्तिष्ठत जाग्रत प्राप्य परा निबोधत उठ जाग एवं सोई रहना स्टॉप नॉट टिल दी गोल जे पर्यंत लक्ष्य स्थल रे न पहुंच जे पर्यंत लक्ष्य हासिल न करछ से पर्यंत तुम जीवन रे विश्राम नहीं अराइज हाउ एक स्टॉप नॉट टिल दी गोल इज अचीव जे वेरी ए लाइन टा तो प्रिय लाइन थला उत्तिष्ठत जाग्रत प्राप्य वरान निबोधत ए लाइन टा स्वामी विवेकानंद कर गोटे प्रिय लाइन थला very popular line he liked it very much and एटा से बारंबार यूज करथले जते बेले यंग लोक को से एड्रेस करे जाउथले सेति बचे कथा कहउथले जे अराइज सोई रहिले तुमरो सेल्फ डेवलपमेंट हबनी कम्युनिटी डेवलपमेंट हे परबनी नेशनल डेवलपमेंट हबनी until and unless you arise उठिबा को पड़िबो हमरो हिंदी रे गोटे वाक्य अछि बचपन खेल में खोया जवानी नींद भर सोया बुढ़ापा देख कर रोया तो हमारो एंटायर चाइल्डहुड वी स्पेंड बाय ओनली प्लेइंग आवर यूथहुड वी स्पेंड बाय स्लीपिंग एई कथाटा को विष्णु शर्मा खूब भल भाव रे राजपुत्र मान को बुझे दिथिले एक श्लोक माध्यम बुझे कि कहिथिले भल भाव रे बुझे कहिथिले जे कहिथिले बुद्धिया लोक किए आ निर्बुद्धिया लोक किए बुद्धिया लोक सेई लोक काव्य शास्त्र विनोदेन कालो गच्छति धीमताम जो माने बुद्धिमान लोक बुद्धिया लोक से माने काव्य शास्त्र अध्ययन रे बही पढ़ी किरी शास्त्र पढ़ी किरी से माने तांकर समय अतिबाहित करंती काव्य शास्त्र विनोदेन कालो गच्छन्ति धीमताम आ मूर्ख मूर्ख माने कोन करंती व्यसने च मूर्खाणां निद्रया कलहेन च चैव पढ़ी करके समय काटंती सोईकरी निद्रा का सोईकरी का काल काटंती आ विलास व्यसन करके समय काटंती जो निर्बुद्धिया लोक कथा विष्णु शर्मा राजपुत्र को कहिथिले व्हेन ही वाज टीचिंग दे तेणु खूब भाभी चिंती करी ए लाइन टी आपण नै चिंती उत्तिष्ठत सब नै छि किंतु उत्तिष्ठत जाग्रत प्राप्य वरा निबोधत या पछे गोटे इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी अछि हम भाबु जे आपण जानि थिबे तथे रिपीट करबी द इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी एटा जो उपनिषद रो स्टोरी जो स्टोरी रे नचिकेता आ जमराज तांकर जो कन्वर्सेशन से कन्वर्सेशन ता से दिया जाय से स्टोरी रे नचिकेता वाज अ वेरी इंटेलिजेंट बॉय तांकर बापा भी जने ऋषि तांका बापा का ना होची बाजश्रवा तो बाजश्रवा कर्णक भली जने दानी लोक से दान करंती प्रति वर्ष अति कम रे से ऋषि भाई है कि मध्य अति कम रे 100टी गाय से दान करंती से भावती एभली दान कले तांकर पुण्य हबो अब तांको एही पुण्य रु से स्वर्ग को जिवे तो तांकर जे पुओ 14 वर्षर पुओ से होची नचिकेता नचिकेता वाज अ वेरी इंटेलिजेंट स्टूडेंट इंटेलिजेंट पर्सन बॉय ही वाज ऑब्जर्विंग हिज फादर्स बिहेवियर सो सी फादर कोन करती ना प्रति वर्ष 100टी गाय दान करिवे एवं 100 लोक को कहबे मु दान कली मु गाई दान कली हमर शास्त्र रे मना करा जायछि जे दान दानी को कहा जायछि से दानी जणे होउछंती एभली व्यक्ति जी दान करंती डाहाण हाथ रे तांको बाँ हाथ जानी मनाई से दान दान करछुन बोली से केबे कहंती नाही मु दान करछि बोली केबे कहंती नाही दान करछि बोली हमरो दानी के कहा जाए शास्त्र रे कहा होछि दानी होउछंती दानी किए से होउछनी नवम रत्न हमरा 8टा रत्न अछि यदि गोटे नवम रत्न थाए से होउछनी दानी भारत पंचम वेद हमर वेद 4 ऋग यजु साम अथर्व 4 वेद कि जदि 5टा यदि कौन पंचम वेद थाए सेटा होछि महाभारत भारत पंचम वेद संतान सप्तम रस रस होछि 6 प्रकार मधुर अम्ल कटु कषाय तिक्त ये 6 प्रकार रस अछि यदि किछि सप्तम रस थाए से होछि संतान को देखिले पेरेंट मान को मन रे जो खुशीटा हुए जो आनंद हुए सेटा गोटे रस ता ना दिया है सप्तम रस तापरे कहछि दाता तो नवम रत्न जे दान करे से होछि नवम रत्न हमर अष्ट रत्न अछि अष्ट धातु रे निर्मित अष्ट रत्न अछि किंतु जे दाता से होछि नवम रत्न यदि किछि नवम रत्न थाए से होछि दाता जा माता दशम ग्रह ए बळी कहा जायछि तेणु नचिकेता को भल लगे नहीं तांका बापा एते प्रचार करती एवं नचिकेता आउ गोटे नचिकेता वाज वेरी इंटेलिजेंट बॉय सी आउ ऑब्जर्व कले प्रति वर्ष 100टी गाई दौ दान करुछंती तांका बापा ऋषा से भी ऋषि बाजश्रवा ऋषि दान करुछंती से गाई रु सबु गाई होछनी बुढ़ी गाई छोटा केंपा गाई कहार आखि नथिबो कहार दांत नथिबो एई भलिया गाई आ जो माने आउ जन्म करि परिबे नै सेई भलिया गाई से 100टी दियंती बापा को पचारले तुम्हें एभली गाई की कहीं दान करुच जहाँ को दब तार तो किसी कौन लाभ हम ना तुम्हें कहीं दान करुच तमें ता बदले किसी दामिका जिनस दियो दान कर जोटा कि काम आसो एमती बांझ गाई बुढ़ी गाई तुम्हें दान कले कौन काम आसबे बापा नीरव शुणती किसी कहते नहीं तो नचिकेता पुणी को दोहरइले सी कहले बाबा आपण ए वर्ष जो दान करेंगे सबुठु प्रीसियस जिनस दान करेंगे सबुठु दामिका जिनस दान करेंगे ताको रिमाइंड करे सबुदिन रिमाइंड करे मु जा कहि आपण मन अछि दामिका जिनस दान करेंगे वैल्यूलेस जिनस को दान करेंगे नहीं सो विरक्त है कि बापा कहले नचिकेता पचारे एथर क्या दान कर बापा कहले एथर मु तते दान करी तते दान करदेवी मु तते जमराज को दान करी नचिकेता को सत बोली भाविले जदिओ रागरे कही बापा सत बोली भाविले सी जाकि जमंग पाखे पहुँचे जमराज को कह जाए जमराजंकर अन्य नाम धर्मराज आपण जानी तो पाखे पहुँचले देख सी घरे नथिले जमराज जमराज बाहर को जाइए काम जाइए नचिकेता अपेक्षा कले 3 दिन अपेक्षा कले 3 दिन अपेक्षा करा बेले चतुर्थ दिन आसिक जमराज पहुँचले एवं देखले ए पिलाटी 3-4 दिन है कि न खाई न पीकी अपेक्षा करी अच्छी मते सो ही वाज वेरी इम्प्रेस्ड से कहले तू मते तू 3टा बर 3 दिन अपेक्षा करछु मो पई तू 3टा बर मागे मते मु तते देवी 3टा बर मागे गोटी गोटी की मागे नचिकेता प्रथम कहले जमराज आपण जदि प्रकृति में मो ऊपर संतुष्ट वरदान करेंगे प्रथमे यू गिव विजडम टू माय फादर मो फादर जने ऋषि बट देयर आर मेनी ऋषिज विदाउट विजडम ही इज ए ऋषि बट ही डजंट हैव द विजडम जमराज कहले यस I agree I give wisdom to your father second बर मागिबे नचिकेता तो second बर रे नचिकेता कहले give peace and prosperity to my family and to my villagers that Jamraj agreed number 3 नचिकेता मागिले you give me knowledge about what happens after death. मृत्यु पर कौन हुए से कथा मत बुझे देवे। जमराज नहीं कले सब तत्व देवी जहाँ मांगू सब देवी तेना ये कथा ते कहबी ना। नचिकेता पचारे कहीं ना ये तू निजे निजर बुद्धि खर्च करू, विद्या खर्च करू, साधना खर्च करू एवं निजे यू विल फाइंड आउट व्हाट हैपेंस आफ्टर डेथ। सेतिक बेले ये श्लोकटी से कही बाजश्रवा ये श्लोकटी गाई उत्तिष्ठत जाग्रत प्राप्य बरा निबोधत क्षीरोस धारा निशिता जुगत्या पदम दुर्गम पथस्त कवयोर बदंती। एठी तथी से नचिकेता कहले जे तमे तुमको उठिया पड़ो, तुम जो अवस्था अच्छ जो मेंटल कंडीशन रे अच्छे ताकू अतिक्रम करके तुम ऊपर को उठियो। उत्तिष्ठत उत्तिष्ठत जाग्रत तमे सुप्त अवस्था अच्छ एपर्यंत सुप्त अवस्था अच्छ जाग्रत यू बी अवेयर। So you have to be self-aware. Then you will know about yourself. What happens after death to the soul? What happens to what is soul? What is death? What is transmigration? What is meditation? What is sadhana? ये सब कथा तते करिया बोले तू जानी ये रहस्य तू भेद कर परिबु नहले करि परिबु नै। ते कथा कहले ये सब कथा कहला परे नचिकेता फेरी आसले and he spent the rest of his life in searching for truth. यही कहानी रो ये जो आपण उत्तिष्ठत जो वर्ड नहीं छिंती ता पछरे यही कहानी रही छी। ये कहानी पछरे गोटे फिलोसफी रही छी, गोटे दर्शन रही छी। That is why I congratulate your vice chancellor and all the people those who suggested this name. Uttishtata is a very powerful motivational. Uttishtata itself is a motivational talks करिया पई उत्तिष्ठता आगो जने बड़ बौद्ध ऋषि थिले। तांका ना होची पद्म संभव से तिब्बती लोक बुद्धिस्ट मंक ग्रेट वेरी स्कॉलरली बुद्धिस्ट मंक सी जिते बड़े शिष्य मान दौले भाषण दौले प्रवचन दौले सी सदा बेले आड़ पछ मुह कर कांथ को चाहकरी पिठी की पिठी पट कर पछ पट को पछपटे बसी सी एक टॉक दौले पचरा गला आपण शिष्य मान सामने कहीं देखुना आपण कहीं मुह बुले सब बुले बसुँच सी उत्तर देते जे मो शिष्य मैंने सही अवस्था नहांती मो कथा शुणला भाया जिते से सही अवस्था के पहुँचे ताले मुझे सीधा मुह को मुह लगे कहि कौन मुझे चाहूँगी कहवाई बिकॉज आई थिंक दे आर नॉट स्पिरिचुअली अवेयर सो देयर आर मेनी स्टोरीज अबाउट दिस सो फ्रेंड्स गोटे कथा मुझे जेहेतु आपणकर जो पार्टिसिपेंट बोधे मोस्ट ऑफ देम आर यंग पीपल am I correct? So most of them are young people. आमर कहूली period of youth is a period of achievement. Young people are the achievers. जो देश रे पृथ्वीर जो देश रे अधिक यंग लोक अच्छा युवक युवती अच्छा से देश अधिक समृद्ध ताकू आमे कहूचे यूथ डिविडेंड इन डेमोग्राफी द डेमोग्राफी तार नाम दिया जाए यूथ डिविडेंड ये को देश रे केते युवक युवती अच्छा सो दैट इज द मेजरमेंट व्हिच डिसाइड्स whether you are a strong nation or you are a weak nation. So that is the parameter. तो से parameter रे आमे जे देखिबा पृथ्वीर अनेक देश सब बुढ़ा हो गले जापान बुढ़ा हो गलानी सिंगापुर बुढ़ा हो गलानी अमेरिका अधा बुढ़ा हो गलानी, यूरोप 3 पा बुढ़ा हो गलानी। कहीं रीजन से देश रे यंग लोक नाहंती, तांका पॉपुलेशन रे यंग लोक नाहंती। अच्छा कहीं यंग लोक नाहंती? बिकॉज यंग पीपल आर नॉट विलिंग टू मैरी, जोटा कि इट्स ए वेरी वेरी बिग प्रॉब्लम इन सिंगापुर। सिंगापुर रे बर्तमान सिंगापुर सरकार देखुछनी तांकर स्कूल सब बंद हो जाउची, किंडरगार्टन स्कूल सब बंद हो जाउची, प्रति वर्ष स्कूल बंद होउची। कहीं देयर आर नो चिल्ड्रन। व्हाई देयर आर नो चिल्ड्रन? Because young people are not interested to marry. And why young people are not interested to marry? They are not interested to marry because they want to have an independent life of their own. They don't want to be burdened with marriage, family, children. So this is the value system in many countries. जहाँ फल से देश रे लोक माने से देश सब बुढ़ा ही होछन। India is still today is a very young country. It's an old civilization, but a young country. Thank you, young country, because in India, the proportion of youth in comparison to the elderly people is very high. Bharat re 65% of the people are below 30 years of age. Even our working population also similarly is very high. Because young people are very productive people, productivity and reproductive. These young people are very very good at that. So it is young people, if you look very closely, very intelligently, with applying your imagination, you'll find that without young people there is no country, there is no society, there is no life. Because the young people are the providers for the elderly as well as the providers for the children. The society, children and elderly people, in every society there will be children, there will be elderly people. So who would look after the elderly and the children? It is the younger people. It is the people in the age group of 18 to 48. They are the providing section of the society. They are the providers. They are the providers. They look after their elderly. They look after their young children. So this is the role of youth. सरकार, भारत सरकार हो, जेकोसी सरकार हो, so now for the last 50 years there is a trend, there is a discussion, dialogue at different quarters about youth development. एवं जो को देश जो लोक जो देश मैक्सिमम इन्वेस्ट करे यंग पीपल को ऊपर सही देश मोर डेवलप. हमें जो कहूचे we have different types of capitals. We have financial capital, we have cultural capital, we have social capital, and we have human capital. Our social capital होची our relationship, our network, our society, जहाँ को depend करके हमें बंची रहे. Our social capital. Our financial capital is the money we have in our exchequer. Our cultural capital, so our buildings, our temples, our mosques, our various types of architectural buildings. Say so cultural capital. Our cultural capital is also our books, our literature, our song, our dance, our music. That is also our capital. So cultural capital. So we are rich in cultural capital. We are rich in social capital. But we have to ask ourselves, are we rich in our human capital? Human capital kono? What is our human capital? Our human capital is our youth, our young people. Our young people, semane kibhali bhabare jiban japana karanti, kibhali rahanti, kibhali semane how they lead their life, how they live their life. तो सेठी पे जो कहउतली आरंभ करतली आउ तर सेठी फेर भी the World Youth Development Report से माने आपन कहउतली लर्निंग विषय रे से माने 6टा एरिया आइडेंटिफाई करथनी एई 6टा एरिया रे जदि हम इन्वेस्टमेंट करिबा भलो इन्वेस्टमेंट करिबा reasonably high investment करिबा then we will get the result गोटे कथा लर्निंग हम ऑलरेडी आपन हम कहि छलेनी लर्निंग रे the second is working हमर जते यंग पीपल अछंती ता भितरु how many are really they have work opportunities ता ऊपर डिपेंड करिवो how healthy is our human capital third staying healthy सेमान का भितरु how healthy they are our younger generation. There are so many diseases young people are now exposed to. Young people are exposed to alcoholism, they are exposed to drugs, they are exposed to very high risk behavior. So the young people have many health problems. So staying healthy is also very important. How do we look after the youth health? Youth health is a new subject. You may not have heard. I had gone as a WHO advisor on youth health to Indonesia to prepare the national youth health policy. So if the young people healthy rahibe, then future generation will be healthy. If the mother is healthy, then the child will be healthy. If the father is healthy, the child will be healthy. So that's why the parents have to remain healthy to produce healthy children. Healthy children can grow up as healthy individuals, healthy youth. So that is very, very important. Staying healthy. How they can stay healthy. Forming families. About how they form families as a good parenting. आमे parenting skills हम young लोगों को हमें सिखाए नहीं. क्लास रे हमें ताको history, geography, physics, chemistry, mathematics सिखाए. किंतु we do not teach our children. We don't tell our children, we don't orient our children about how to choose their best partners, how to raise a family. So family life education is a very important area which is neglected in our country. Our children go into marriage without knowing what is the meaning of a family, without knowing how anything about the parenting. So that is very important. That's why staying healthy, we must invest in staying healthy. Next is forming families, which I have already discussed. Next is exercising citizenship. We are a democracy. Our children, our young people living in a democratic country. So democratic participation, electoral participation in a democratic country by the young people is very, very important. It's very important. Thank you. Democracy ro charita part achi. There are 4 parts of democracy. One is popular control. People elect their government. People elect their representatives, and through their representatives rule the country. So popular control. So semankaro so election is under the control of the citizens. We must tell our young people they must exercise their citizenship rights. Number 1, popular control. Democracy, the 4 pillars, 4 young and strong pillars of democracy. One is popular control. People elect their representatives and they form the government, whether at the state or at the center. So, but these people are elected by the people. So that is number 1. Second one, equally important, is political equality. What is political equality? I have a vote, President of India has a vote. So President of India doesn't have 10 votes and I as a voter I have 1 vote. No. Every individual, every citizen has only 1 vote. 1 vote. This is called political equality. Every political party is eligible to contest elections if it fulfills certain conditions. So this political equality. Number 2 is political equality is very, very important. Number 3 is constitutional autonomy. In our country, we have institutions. We have election commission. We have Supreme Court. We have Parliament. we have Union Public Service Commission, we have number of constitutional bodies which have been established as watchdog bodies to ensure that our democracy remains strong. So that is the number 3. And number 4 is individual freedom. The political equality becomes irrelevant, useless without individual freedom. Individual freedom is whether everybody has the same rights, universal rights, the human rights. You have seen that document 1945. Whether people have a right to vote, people have right to food, people have right to information. There are so many rights, and these rights, young people, the role of young people, we must train our young people. Even in our classroom also, we should have subjects like this, how young people can function as human rights defenders. The young people can do that best. Working with them, I know they have tremendous potential. Only they need guidance, they need motivation, they need good leaders who can guide them. So these are the civic relationships exercising citizenship. So young people, they should also participate in the voting. Am desare bartan voting right madhu bhai kautule how voting rights has been reduced. Earlier the minimum voting minimum eligibility for vote participation in voting was 21 years, and this has been reduced to 18 years. So millions of young people have joined the political process. You look at our parliament, you find many people, the slow, gradual disappearance of older generation and younger generation has taken over. This has also happened yesterday when our new council of ministers, you find many of them are young. And today there was a news that the age of parliament has been reduced by 3 years after this reshuffle of the cabinet. So it was the desire of everybody that younger people should come to power because they are relatively honest, they are open, they are enthusiastic, they are open to new ideas, they are progressive, and they are also very brave and courageous. So these things, and they are energetic, full of energy. So these people, if these people run our country has a better future. So say context ek tha mu koithili aku au thare repeat kali aji au ta katha mu apana koibi samay kete rahila am janni au 5 minute re sariba. Have I crossed 45 minutes? Have I crossed 45 minutes?
Sir, please go on, sir. Sir.
Can you give me another 5-10 minutes, 5-7 minutes to conclude?
5 minutes, sir. Sir, 5 minutes.
Kouthili, the period of youth is also a period of achievement. It is the period of achievers. Jaha achieve kariba katha life re, most people achieve that during their youthhood. Jubaka avasthare, jubati avasthare, semane jo achieve karanti. Apna lakhya karthibe jo mane, if there is any student of history, ancient history, you'll find that most of the kings and monarchs in our history, both in Indian history and as well as in the European history, you'll find many of them, they lived young but also died young. Sabu alpa boyas. Tankara maximum achievement tanga life re heichi when they are young, not when they are old. So that is why it is said that it is a period of youthhood is a period of achievement. There is a joke about youth. Joke is because we all have a very stereotyped, negative attitude towards the young people. बुढ़ी 80 वर्षर बुढ़ी रास्ताରେ ଯାଉଥିଲା रोम राजदंड से जाउथला ताको आउ जन लोक आसी पचारिले माउसी तुमको जदि मु गोटे 18 वर्षर पिला दिए व्हाट यू विल डू विथ हिम तुमको यदि 18 वर्षर पिला दिए ताले तमे ता कि भले भाव व्यवहार करिवो सिंपल तमे क्वेश्चन मते पचारछो आई एम ओनली 80 years old कहले हाँ बिकॉज यू आर 80 years old आपन पचारछी गोटे 18 वर्ष पिला को देबी आपन को आपन ता केबळी बिहेव करबा हाउ विल डील विथ हिम now if you permit me I will dig and bury him at the age of 18 मु तांको खोली की गात खोली की पोती भितरे एमन जेतेबे से 80 वर्ष हेबे पुणी से गात को खोली करी मु तांको काढबी the message is the young people are very unruly. Adolescence is a period of storm. People make many mistakes, many blunders during adolescence, and only when you reach 80 then you become sober, you become wise, so you become a person of wisdom. से कहले मु ताको 18 वर्ष रे पोती देबी और ताको 80 वर्ष हबो 80 वर्ष रे खोली ताको बाहर करी so this was the society's attitude, but this is just a joke. और कहबा कथा जे हम जदि if you look at the modern history as well as middle age history of the middle age, you find many individuals, very tall personalities, to माने सब achievement करिसेंती, unexpected achievement when they were young. केतरा उदाहरण देबी Einstein theory of relativity प्रथम draft तैयारी करले at the age of 29. Last draft he submitted at the age of 36 and received Nobel Prize. This was Einstein. He was still not 40. Another example may be Malala Yousafzai, Pakistani girl who was working for women's education. She received Nobel Prize, one of the youngest persons who received Nobel Prize at the age of 18. See the achievement and the age-related achievement. So achievement is not related to age. Achievement is independent of age. Number 3, another lady, Valentina Tereshkova, the first lady to walk in the space, Russian lady. And what was her age? She was 24 when she started walking in the space. Valentina Tereshkova. Sachin Tendulkar, Bharat Ratna Sachin Tendulkar. His first century, I have seen Sachin Tendulkar in Delhi number of times when he was studying in the school. He did the first century when he was 16. The first century against South Africa. And he did it against England. He made a double century when he was 17 years old. See the achievement of the younger generation, achievement of the youth. One more example is Swami Vivekananda. Swami Vivekananda mesmerized the world participants of the World Parliament of Religion in Chicago when he was only 29 years old. See the achievement at such a very, very young age. Another is Adi Shankaracharya. Adi Shankaracharya lived only for 32 years. And he established Panchata Pitha. He established a seat of learning to protect the Indian civilization, Indian culture, Indian religions. So, se jo charita pitha, panchta pitha pratishtha kale, by the time he was only 27. Padare chali he covered entire India and established these centers of learning. Adi Shankaracharya, interpreted all parts of all the 4 Vedas and Upanishads. So that was Adi Shankaracharya. That was his achievement. A brilliant brain of the East. I will give you 2 examples, popular examples of Rama and Krishna. I am of the opinion, you may not agree with me, that Kansa was defeated when Kansa was defeated by Krishna. Krishna was 12 years and Kansa was 62 years. So I say that it is not because of the superior quality or supernatural quality of Krishna he defeated Kansa. It is the age. The age was on his side and Kansa was on the wrong side of his age. It's the young people defeating the elderly. The same thing happened in case of Lord Rama. Lord Rama was 30 and when he defeated Ravana was 60. So it is not because of divine quality he defeated Ravana. It is because of the age. Age was on his side. So these are few examples I would like to bring before you. Even Jesus Christ. Take the example of Jesus Christ. He died at the age of 36. He was crucified at the age of 33. And left behind millions of his supporters, millions of his followers, established a new religion. Now the world is inhabited by the largest community, the religion which has the largest people under its fold. So that was Jesus Christ. The next was Buddha. Buddha left his home, abandoned his family, his children, because he was in search of spiritual wisdom. And this he got the enlightenment at the age of 30. Mahatma Gandhi started his first revolution, the first revolt, the first movement in South Africa when he was 27 years old. Subhash Chandra Bose is another example I would like to give before you. He left civil service at the age of 24 to join the Indian freedom movement. One very good example I would place before you is Alexander. Alexander, his father's dream was that Alexander will become a Vishwa Vijayi, conqueror of the world. He established the largest empire when he was 34 and died 2 years after. So friends, so these are few examples I would like to place before the youth, that if they want, they can. If they want, they can, because the world is always in favor of the younger generation, favor of the youth. They can achieve, they can change this world, but for that change, again, utisthata, jagrata, prapya vara nibodhata. Again, they have to arise, awake, and stop not till the goal is achieved. With a strong mind, stronger determination, and still stronger devotion, they can do wonders in this world. I have full faith in the younger generation of today. They are better than the younger generation of yesterday. And they can change our country, they can change our state. And we are a state, friends, my young friends, we are a state what we do not have. But 70 years after freedom, today we are water surplus, we are energy surplus, we are food surplus, we are soil surplus, we are worker surplus, we are stability surplus, and we are volunteerism surplus. Let me explain. We are water surplus. We have 11% of water in the country. We have our geography is 4.5%, but our water supply, the rainfall is 11%. So we have a surplus of water. So we can convert our water into irrigation. We can utilize our water into irrigation and irrigation into production and productivity. We are energy surplus. We have surplus electricity. So from electricity, we can switch over to electronics and add value to our economy. We are food surplus. Orissa, our farmers are producing food which is more than our need. We are soil surplus. Kalahandi, one of the most fertile districts of the state. So we have very Kalahandi is famous for its large areas of black cotton soil and very, very, very fertile soil. We are workers of surplus. We have so many workers, thousands and thousands of workers or want of work. They leave our state and go outside. And I have said this, we are stability surplus. So one of the development parameters is stable government. And we have a government who is 20 years, more than 20 years in power. So there is full political stability. And we have 30, when I said voluntary organizations surplus, we have 35,000 voluntary organizations. We have almost more than 150,000 volunteers in the NSS, in NCC, in Scouts and Guides in our state. Despite, but we do not know how to utilize their enthusiasm, how to utilize their constructive energy, how to utilize their imagination. So, but we continue to be the lower in the ladder of development. We are not in the first 5. We are always in the last 5 states of the country. That is why, my young friends, please, during your leisure time, sit together and think about your country, think about your state, think about your village, think about your family. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Sarita ma'am.
Sir.
Sarita ma'am. Sarita
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is
Yes.
the right time. Please allow me for 1 minute to sing a song very appropriate. It would be a great gift to Bhagwan sir and to everyone. 1 minute only.
Yes, sir.
बढ़ाए जा
Definitely.
कदम
Yes, sir.
जवान, तू कदम बढ़ाए जा, गाए जा खुशी के गीत, तू जवान गाए जा, बढ़ाए जा कदम जवान, तू कदम बढ़ाए जा, गाए जा खुशी के गीत, तू जवान गाए जा, तू चला तो चल दिया जमाना तेरे साथ साथ, तू रुका तो रुक गया फसाना तेरे साथ साथ, गा दिया तो छिड़ गया तराना तेरे साथ साथ, प्रभातिया सुना सुना स्वदेश को जगाए जा, स्वदेश को जगाए जा, बढ़ाए जा कदम जवान, तू कदम बढ़ाए जा, गाए जा खुशी के गीत, तू जवान गाए जा, तू उठा तो उठ गया देख नीला आसमान, तू बढ़ा तो बढ़ गया देख कितना यह जहान, तू तना तो तन गया निकाला सीना है पहाड़, हंसता रहे न बन उदास, क्रांति गीत गाए जा, तू शांति गीत गाए जा, तू क्रांति गीत गाए जा, बढ़ाए जा कदम जवान, तू कदम बढ़ाए जा, गाए जा खुशी के गीत, तू जवान गाए जा, तू जवान गाए जा, तू जवान गाए जा। सार भाषण एत बढ़िया जो मुझे भाविली गोटे 1.5 मिनिट गीतटी जो से यूथ मान को उठा कथा कहले उत्तिष्ठित भाविली गीतटी बहुत अप्रोप्रिएट मुझे आपण मैंने अप्रिशिएट करेंगे। धन्यवाद।
Sir, really, sir, I got goosebumps. Still, I'm getting. Really, sir, it's highly motivational. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for such beautiful song you dedicated for Bhagwan Prakash, sir. So, thank you so much, sir, Bhagwan Prakash, sir, for such enlightening and thought-provoking session. It's really highly motivational. Sir, in a very short span of time, you have highlighted many key points on the role of youth in nation building. Sir, it's true that youth are the precious position for any country, for any society, for its utmost development. Sir, today you focused on the innate nature of young generation, how young people are open-minded, energetic, courageous, powerful, enthusiastic, optimistic, inquisitive, and open to new ideas, and they are adapted to new changes.
Sir, also you talked about how we can change or we can change society without changing our attitude change, because attitude is the most important component if we are going to change any society or any nation. So change is very intensive process that you mentioned, and also sir you highlighted about World Youth Development Report and its principal futures, that is learning, and you talked about literacy, how it is important for development of any society. And also sir you talked about staying healthy, because staying healthy is the most important thing, and it's much important to maintain a good health for the young people particularly, because they are the future of the nation. And also sir you talked about the socialization process that forming families, how it is responsibility of the parents, of the elders, and how we can inculcate the certain good norms, value, beliefs in our children. So thank you sir. Again you talked about the citizenship exercise, that is democratic participation of young people, and also you highlighted on the voting rights by exercising adult franchise, by reducing the age of 21 to 18. And definitely sir it's a very constructive step towards for engaging so many young generation in such kind of great decision making process. So sir definitely it's a great step indeed. And sir also you mentioned about the four pillars for success of any country or any democracy, that is the four popular control. First, the electing representatives, because definitely we are living in a great democracy, and electing representative is a very big thing, and definitely it's a responsibility of the young generation or young people that whom we are going to elect, because we are going to decide our future. And also sir you talked about political equality, because irrespective of our caste, class, race, age, gender, how it is very important to maintain political equality, because without maintaining equality definitely we are going to create an unequal society. So for having egalitarian society, it is very important to have constitutional autonomy, individual freedom, and political equality, because without individual freedom there is no liberty. So freedom is the most important thing to enjoy certain kind of equality. Sir also you focused on many things that are or else many stories also, and also sir you gave us or you advised us the idea of Swami Vivekananda, that is the most inspiring sir. The idea that arise, awake, and stop not still the goal is achieved. So definitely sir we should not stop and until and unless our goal is achieved. Also sir you mentioned about the idea of Vishnu Sharma to Rajputa for their success, and also a wonderful story of Nachiketa and Yama, and the concept of Navratna and three blessings from Yama, what Nachiketa asked for giving wisdom to his father, give peace and prosperity to his family, and exactly that third one is what happens after that, and he made him realize that it is very important for him to awaken his own potential capability to find himself and finding the truth. So sir really we are motivated, as you mentioned about the idea of Buddhist monk and his deliberation or his talk towards his students, and here again you talked about the greatest asset, that is the human capital, and not other capital, that is financial capital or cultural capital, rather than other countries who those are lagging behind like Japan, Singapore, UK, because in their society there are elders peoples and not youth people. So sir India is, you mentioned that India is an old civilization, but there are young generation is there, and as there are 65% people is below 30. So sir definitely it's a great responsibility for the youth in our society, and we should properly use our human capital in a proper way, so that we can achieve whatever we want for our society. Because it's very difficult to summarize even what you talked about, because you have given example of Einstein, his of winning Nobel Prize. You talked about Malala Yousafzai and her courage and her fight for girls' education, and you talked about Valentin Tereshkova at the age of 24 and working in space, and achievement of Sachin Tendulkar, Bharat Ratna for first century at the tender age of 16 against South Africa, and Swami Vivekananda's mesmerizing speech at Chicago at the age of 29, and Adi Shankaracharya's establishment of 5 at the age of 27. Sir, so also you talked about his interpretation of Veda Upanishad, and and also you referred our Puranic source, our mythology about Krishna and Rama, and about Jesus Christ, how he earned the numbers of followers. And you talked about Buddha and his spiritual wisdom, Mahatma Gandhi's contribution, Subhash Chandra Bose's contribution, Alexander's concurrence of the world, and how he established empire at the young age at 34. So, sir, from your what we may call deliberation or articulation, one thing I realized, and I'm remembering Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, as he talked about life should not be greater, should not be longer, rather than it should be greater. And definitely, whatever may be our age, how long we may live, but we should live a great life. Definitely, it's a great message towards the young generation, and definitely we should utilize all our surplus. You talked about water, food, soil, labor, and most importantly, the human capital. So thank you, sir. Thank you so much for such beautiful season. Sir, now there is a question for you, sir. So, Gobind Sahu sir has asked one question that is related to Indian scenario. Sir's question is that I think our country doesn't provide due importance to the youth in maintaining and developing their good mental health. Please suggest approaches on individual level to work in this sphere. So, sir, this is one of the questions asked by Gobind Sahu sir.
It's a good question, and it's a problem, real problem. Many of our young people, they go into depression. They have mental problems. You might have observed that during examination season, there is a number of suicides rises in our country, and there has been a study on this, that how our examination system builds negative pressure on our young people. And so it's a good question he has asked, and for that the government should, in the new education policy, although they have mentioned about the mental health, but mental health has not received the due attention which it deserves. So I think we should build on more pressure on the academicians, policy makers. Now we have a minister from our own state as the HRD minister, and the new education policy is yet to draft its program of action policy, and there is still scope for including these aspects in our curriculum.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Now may I request Honorable Vice Chancellor, sir, for his presidential address. Sir.
Thank you, Sarita. You have nicely scripted, rather I can say you have present a great speech in a capsule, and I bow my head near Bhagwan Bhai. This speech is this has been recorded and will be available in YouTube, and many people, particularly the alumni of my university, they will listen to this great speech at their age. Some of them may listen it a number of times. बारंबार भल कथा मानक शुणा इच्छा हुए, सुंदर तृप्ति रे अवसाद नाही बोली तो कहुई, जेते देखुथिले नुआ दिशु थाई, जेते शुणुथिले नुआ सुखु थाई। समुद्रर प्रत्येकटी ढेउ समान नुहे, सेमिति प्रत्येक शुणिबाटा मध्य समान नुहे, समान कथा ही पारे, किंतु गोटे भिन्न आवेदन आने। बारंबार ढेउ मान को देखिले आमे थकी जाऊना, आमको क्लांत लगे ना, अवसाद लगे ना। तेबे ए कथा सब शुणिला बेलू को मो अनेक समय मो पाठ पढ़ा बेलू जो पदटीए गीत को मो एका बेले अनेक समय रे गाए, आउ सबु जगह विभिन्न कारण नहीं कि जहाँ को आमे चाहू था ता पाखे तो पहुँची पारुना, किंतु एकलव्य परी निश्चित भाव में किसी कथा शिखु। तेणु जो मानक दृष्टि रखा जाई पारे, जो मानकठु शिखा जाई पारे, सेमानक अलक्ष्य तांकठु उत्साह निया जाई पारे। मो पाई तांको भितरु जणे होचंती भगवान प्रकाश। और मु मने रखिथिबा धाडीटी गडनायकर, राधामोहन गडनायकर। मु अनेक भाई वक्तृत्व प्रतियोगिता से धाड़ी को व्यवहार करी एबे भी अनेक जगह व्यवहार करुच्ची। एवं एका बेले जितेबाला किसी अवरोध आसुच्ची को काम कला बेल को मु से धाड़ी को दोहराऊँगी। धाड़टा है अपथे मुझीबी अपथे मुझीबी कर पछे मते तिरस्कार। अपथे मुझीबी अपथे मुझीबी कर पछे मते तिरस्कार। नई पथे अछि जेते जहा सबु करिबी मु तार आविष्कार। मथा पोती नेबी मान अपमान, मथा पोती नेबी मान अपमान, बुकु पाती नेबी झंझा तोफान। समय आसीब जेउ दिन तमे जाची देव मते पुरस्कार, जाची देव मते पुरस्कार। अपथे मुझीबी अपथे मुझीबी कर पछे मते तिरस्कार। नूतनर बाटटी सबुबेले युव शक्ति खोजे। नुआ बाटटी, नुआ राहटी, नुआ संवेदना, नुआ आवेग, नुआ संभावना सबु मुक्त युव मनरे ही संचारित हवा संभव। तेणु मु आशा करुच्ची युव बंधु बांधवी माने निश्चित भाव में यही वक्तव्य को बारंबार बारंबार शुणिबे। आउ सेमानकर जो धाड़ीटी इच्छा, जो लोकर कथा इच्छा आदर्श करिबा पई ताकू बाछि नेबे। एमिति चिंता करिबे कि तांको भितरे से कथा सबु संचरी जीव, मन बदली जीव, नुआ आशाटे दिशिब। गिरी शिखे लय रखी चलिबे मुकर न्याय से माने आगु को बढ़ी चलिबे। धन्यवाद मधु भाई को, धन्यवाद भगवान भाई को, धन्यवाद। मत आज टे धनी हो गला भाया लगुच आज भाई चांसलर।
थैंक यू।
सारिबा सरिता।
Acha. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, for such wonderful and inspiring example, Ekavya's attitude for learning. Sir, this is true. We should keep such kind of attitude and spirit within
जय जय ओडिशा माता सॉन्ग अछि
सर।
जय जय ओडिशा माता गीतटा अछि।
अब सेटा आमे टिके परे बजे बाहर करि पारिनु, आमे बजेइबु किंतु।
अच्छा अच्छा
बजे।
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yes, continue.
So now may I request Jaidev Sahu sir for vote of thanks. Sir.
थैंक यू सरिता, अशेष अशेष धन्यवाद। बहुत सुंदर भाव रे कार्यक्रम परिचालना कल। टिके समय हे जाइछि, समय अतिक्रांत हे जाइछि, तथापि ये जो सुंदर अभिभाषण, सुंदर कार्यक्रम ताको इच्छा लागू नाही। मोर प्रिय कुलपति कहि सारिछंती से आज धनी हे जाइछंती। आ सतरे हम विश्वविद्यालय धनी हे जाइछि। आम पाखरे अछंती डॉक्टर भगवान प्रकाश सर एवं श्रीयुक्त मधुसूदन दास सर, जो माने कि हमको बहु समय रे अनुप्राणित करुछंती, प्रेरणा जोगौछंती एवं हमको नूतन आलोकर संधान करिबा पई हमको बाटो देखौछंती। मु अशेष धन्यवाद देवी डॉक्टर भगवान प्रकाश महोदय को जी कि अनेक कष्ट स्वीकार करी आम पाखरे अछंती एवं अनेक समय दे मूल्यवान समय दे आमको जो दिग्दर्शन देइछन्ते ताहा में केबे भूली परिबा नाही। सतरे भारत युवक मानकर देश WBS जेमिति कहिछन्ते तांकर सेलिंग टू बाइजेंटियम रे there is no country for old men, the young in one another's arms, birds in the trees। भारत युवक मानकर देश, भारत निजे युवक। आपणकर कथा सत्य सार जे आम भारत युव सुलभ देश, युवक देश। अनेक धन्यवाद जे आमको कहले केमिति युवक मान ही भारत वर्ष को आगे नहीं पारिबे, राष्ट्र निर्माण करि पारिबे, ताहा आपण मान आम मान को कहि अछि। तेणु आपण पाखरे आमे चिर ऋणी रहिबो। श्रीयुक्त मधुसूदन दास जे कि आगुर मध्य हमको उद्बोधन दे सारी छन्ते एवं आज मध्य हमको जो गीत सुनेले सतरे रोम टांकुरी उठिला। सही मधुसूदन दासଙ୍କର ସବୁବେଳେ तांकर जो बुलेट भलिया कथा हमको सोईथिले भी उठे दिए। ये जो गीतटा गाइले सतरे मु कहूची जे मो पुओ सोई जाइथिला किंतु दौड़ी गिरी आसिला एवं सुनिला गीत को एवं मु कहली जे मु एटा कहिबी जे सतरे युवक माने केमिति आम मधुसूदन दास एवं डॉक्टर भगवान प्रकाश द्वारा केमिति उद्बुद्ध होउचंती ताहा एकमात्र उदाहरण। मु धन्यवाद देवी मोर प्रिय वाइस चांसलर जे के एई जो कार्यक्रम रो सबु किछि तांको प्रेरणा रे, तांको निर्देशना रे, तांको द्वारा ही ए कार्यक्रम परिचालित होउची एवं एमिति परिचालित होउथबो। आज आमे नवम पर्व रे उपस्थित थिले एवं पुनर्बार आमे आसंदा शुक्रवार दशम रे आमे उपनीत हेबे। एटा आपण मानकर साहाय्य एवं सहयोग पाही संभव ही पारिछि। आमको सब बेले उत्साहित करूछन्ते डॉक्टर अरुण बेहरा सर बेंगलोर रो, डॉक्टर अजय मिश्र सर, डॉक्टर फणिंदम देव सर, मनोज बेहरा सर DIPR, मोहन बिशी सर, गोविंद साहू सर, कन्नैधर साहू सर, सत्यनारायण मुंशिना सर, दुखीश्याम प्रधान सर, सत्य पटनायक सर, डॉक्टर शिव बेहरा सर, त्रिपाठी सर, हेमंत मुन सर एवं डॉक्टर सुजाता मुन मैडम आम सहित प्रायतः रही आमको उत्साहित करुछन्ते एवं सेथि पई आमे तांको निकट रे ऋणी। तेबे आज तो समय हे जाइछि, समस्तन को मु धन्यवाद देवी जो माने आमको उत्साहित करिछन्ते, आज आम गहन रे रही छन्ते। समस्तन को मु अशेष अशेष धन्यवाद ज्ञापन करिबी। सबुठ बेसी धन्यवाद ज्ञापन करिबी मोर प्रिय विष्णु चौधरी को जी के सब बेले हमको साहाय्य करि आछन्ते। अनेक अनेक धन्यवाद, नमस्कार।
लिप्सा जदे भूली गलो
लिप्सांकर एबे समय सर।
हां
हां लिप्सा महाराणा दया करी संगीतटी गाइबे।
निश्चय सर। एबे जस्ट समस्ते कहते ओडिया भाषा उपरे जो गीतटा लिखिछन्ती सर से उपरे गाइबा पई मु सेठो दुई पद सुनाइबा चाहेबी। जय जय ओडिसा माता, जय जय ओडिसा भाषा, जय जय ओडिसा माता, जय जय ओडिया भाषा। नीलाचल उत्कल कलिंग कोसल गाए गरिमा गाथा, जय जय ओडिसा माता, जय जय ओडिया भाषा। धन्यवाद। एबे कार्यक्रम को शेष करबा। सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामया सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः।
Thank you,
Amar.
Miss Lipsa.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, please.
Yes, sir. It's over to you, sir. Jadhav sir.
पूज्य कुलपतिंकर आदेश क्रमे आमर एई आभासी कार्यक्रम को एठी आमे रखिबा। समस्त को पुणी थरे नमस्कार एवं निवेदन रहिला पुणी आसंता शुक्रवार देखा हबो एई मंच रे। अनेक अनेक समस्त नमस्कार।
थैंक यू।
Namaste, sir.